99 Ford Woodie. It was built from scratch. It has air conditioning, everything. It has GPS, backup camera, stereo, air shocks. Stereo and all that stuff is surround. The engine is 350 Chevy. Then it's also got a 350 turbo. It's got a Ford Mustang 2 front end, Ford 9-inch rear end, and it is real wood.
Right.
And it's not a kit.
Very cool. And it's green.
And it's green.
Yeah, it's very green.
You can see all the chromes and the light on it.
Yeah. All right.
But I drive it every day as long as it's not raining.
Right.
Yeah, no sense of having it sitting in the car.
That's
in the
right.
garage.
Well, very cool. We appreciate that. It is very pretty.
All right,
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.